Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to ds. dv, I will choose about this one in here. The integration of this one, we have v equal to 1 over a sine as. So we have u multiplied by v, so we have s over a sine as minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration. We put 1 over a in here, and we have sine as ds. The integration of negative with sine as, you got about positive 1 over a cosine as, and we put about sin here. 1 over a, 1 over a, you got about 1 over a square cosine as, and this is the final answer. This is the end.